नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं सच इंडिया। मेरा नाम जूही पंडित है और अभी मैं मौजूद हूँ ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर में। जी हाँ, ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर, जहाँ पर पूरे भारत से यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट आते हैं यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए। तो हमारे साथ अभी एक यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट मौजूद हैं। चलिए हम उनसे जानते हैं कि आखिरकार उनका यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन करने की जर्नी कैसी है। सर, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल।
यस मैडम, थैंक यू।
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
रोहित।
तो आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं?
मैं कर्नाटका से हूँ, यहाँ ही एक साल से यहाँ ही रहना।
सर, तो ये बताइए कि आप यहाँ पर किस कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं?
I am preparing mainly for the state PCS exams, but I got selected for the scholarship by the Karnataka government and I came here to get the coaching for the UPSC.
तो आप कर्नाटक के रहने वाले हैं, तो ये बताइए इसकी सर कि कर्नाटक गवर्नमेंट आपको यहाँ पर पढ़ने के लिए भेजी है, यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए उन्होंने आपको प्रमोट किया है। तो आप हमें बता सकते हैं इसके बारे में कि क्या क्या प्रोसेस रहा?
Yes madam, actually, and first there will be exam conducted by the Karnataka government for both SC, SST and OBC students, and those students who get in the merit list and those who score good number of marks, those will be selected for the UPSC coaching, and those students will be sent to Delhi, Hyderabad or in Bangalore, and all the tuition fee will be paid by the government, and the government will also provide the stipend to the students for 1 year.
तो आपको भी वहाँ की गवर्नमेंट ने एक साल के लिए स्टाइपेंड प्रोवाइड करवाई होगी?
Yes madam, yes. The government is providing me around 15,000 stipend per month, and it will be for 1 year.
तो ये आपका टेन्योर कंप्लीट हो चुका है?
No, still it is remaining, and it's remaining for 4 months.
सो उसके बाद आपको सारा एक्सपेंडिचर जो है वो खुद से देना होगा?
Yes madam, yes. After that we have to maintain our expenditure on our own.
सर, आप मुझे अपने इनिशियल स्टडीज़ के बारे में बताइए कि मतलब आपने 12th में कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स थे आपके पास और आपके दिमाग में कैसे जहन आया कि आपको यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन करनी चाहिए?
Actually, I am from science background. I completed 12th in 2019. After that, I got a seat in engineering college, and I went there and I studied there for 1 year. And you also know the lockdown happened, and after that I came to home, and in home I was thinking about the other competitive exams conducted by the Karnataka government, and I started reading the syllabus and the books about those competitive exams, and I got interested and I got interest in those exams as well as the UPSC civil services exams. So I quit my engineering and joined BSc, Bachelor of Science, and it is a 3-year course. I joined BSc, and along with BSc I started preparing for the UPSC as well as the state PCS exam, and at the end of my graduation I wrote this exam and that scholarship test conducted by the state government, and I cleared that exam, and now I came here to complete my coaching.
सर, आपका डेली रूटीन क्या रहता है?
And daily routine means I generally wake up at 5:30 in the morning, and 5:30 to 6 o'clock fresh up, and from 6 to 7:30 study, and from 7:30 to 1 o'clock there will be coaching classes, and after 1 o'clock I will go to home and I will have my lunch, and till 3 o'clock I take rest. After 3 and I will again sit to study for 2.5 hours, and there will be again one class will be there in the evening from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. One optional class will be there. I attend the optional classes, and from 8 to 9, and I will have my dinner, and from 9 to 10:30 I will again sit to study, and after 10:30 I will go to sleep.
सो आपने कितनी बार यूपीएससी का अभी तक अटेम्प्ट दिया है?
Actually, I gave my attempt in 2023. At that time, I was in last year of my graduation, but I was not prepared well, so I couldn't clear that one.
ओके, तो आपने ऑप्शनल में कौन सा सब्जेक्ट ले रखा है?
My optional is Kannada literature.
आपने ऑप्शनल के तौर पर कन्नड़ लिटरेचर चूज़ किया, इसके पीछे का कारण?
Because till 10th I studied in Kannada medium, and I have good grip on that subject Kannada, and for those who study subjects in their vernacular medium have more advantages for writing the good answers in literature subjects.
सर, मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी कि कर्नाटक से आप दिल्ली ही क्यों आए यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए?
And till 10th even though till 10th I studied in Kannada medium, but gradually after 10th I studied in English medium, and I joined college, I taken the science in my PUC, and in graduation also the medium was in English, and also I was reading about the competitive exam syllabus and those stuff in English only, and so I read most of the syllabus of these competitive exam in English only. So I thought that for English medium coaching, Karnataka is not the good place to get the coaching in English medium, because some coaching classes are there, those are mainly popular, those mainly focus only on the Kannada medium students, those who are preparing for UPSC, and the quality of teaching in English language is not good in Karnataka, and I thought that Delhi is the best place to get the coaching for UPSC in English.